Allama Abu Abdullah Muhammad bin Ahmad Maliki Qurtubi alayhi rahmah has narrated that a woman once visited the blessed court of Sayyidina Hassan Basri alayhi rahmah and requested, "My young daughter has passed away. Please let me know how I can see her in my dream." He told her what to do. So she saw her deceased daughter in the dream. However, in the state that she was dressed in clothing made from colophony, she had chains around her neck, and her feet they were bound together. Upon seeing this horrific scene, the mother began to tremble. The next day she related this incident to Sayyidina Hassan Basri alayhi rahmah, who was saddened upon hearing it. After some time, Sayyidina Hassan Basri alayhi rahmah saw a girl in his dream who was sitting on a throne with a crown adorned on her head. Upon seeing him, she said, "I am the daughter of the woman who told you of my state." Sayyidina Hassan Basri alayhi rahmah then said, "According to her, you were being punished by Allah Azza wa Jal. How did this transformation take place?" The deceased girl replied that a person passed by the graveyard, recited Durood Sharif upon the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and due to the blessings of this Durood Sharif upon the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the torment from 560 graves was lifted. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear respected Islamic brothers and the viewers of Madani Channel, from this we learned that the recitation of Durood Sharif contains great blessings, and when it is recited by the tongue of a devotee of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, then its virtue is even greater. It is possible that he is distinguished in the court of Allah Azza wa Jal, that by the virtue of his passing by the graveyard and reciting Durood Sharif upon the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the punishment of 560 dead people is lifted. It is certainly beneficial to take the lovers of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the devotees of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, out of respect to the graves of your relatives and to request them to send e-salih swab there. What can be said about the blessings of the feet of awliya? Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Allah, Allah.